So I totally forgot to start this vlog off. We're in Providence, Rhode Island. Behind me sits the beautiful city backdrop. We're doing a little bit of flight downtown, but there's gonna be a hodgepodge of footage throughout this whole video, just because I'm sort of doing it assways backwards. So we're gonna fly here for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and head over to Newport, where the water is.
He's totally lying. We already have been flying here for 10
minutes.
No. We're about to leave.
Oh shit. Well, all right, so fuck you, Bill. Way to blow up my spot. So I'm lying. We've already flown. I'm already done. That's how these videos get made.
And you know what? It's also a big lie that he just forgot to start the video, because we haven't forgot. We just haven't had time.
No, but that's forgetting. We were supposed to do it at Foxwoods. Anyways, we won money last night. Viva Las Vegas. All right, so we've made it over to Newport. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Mavic up and get some shots. I got some great FPV drone shots here in just a moment using my helmet. It's pretty dope.
In the fading light, hearts collide, shadows dance in the distance. Something just ain't right, I'm cold inside. Help me find what I'm missing. We're all scared to fly, still we try. Learn to be brave, see the other side. Won't you lead me there? Have no fear. Close your eyes, find paradise. Oh my, my, my. There's 1,000 miles between you and I. Just 1,000 miles between me and paradise. Oh my, my, my. There's 1,000 miles between you and I. Oh my, my, my. Just 1,000 miles between me and paradise. Paradise. Oh my, my, my. Paradise. Oh my, my, my. Paradise. When the dark has gone, the morning's won. We're gonna feel something different. It will set you free if you just tell me every secret I listen. We're all scared to fly, still we try. Learn to be brave, see the other side. Won't you lead me there? Have no fear. Close your eyes, find paradise, paradise, paradise. Close your eyes, find paradise, paradise, paradise. Close your eyes, find para. Oh my, my, my. There's 1,000 miles between you and I.
Because you're a Sony fanboy. Sony simp, as they call it. Pathetic. Make me sick. You got enough footage?
Yeah,
Wife looks a little angry.
she is. She's hungry.
She's hungry, dude.
Yeah.
She's 7 months pregnant. She's hungry.
I know.
You gotta feed her, Ed.
I know. I told her no. I said one battery, but I brought 3 with me.
We I think we're going to Boston.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I think so.
Great seeing you guys.
See you later, brother. Yeah, because we didn't book a room because somebody's just. You are just the least planner I know. You're the least planner I know.
Come on, man.
All the places here are $400 a night because it's some freaking jazz festival and it's Newport. Eddie, your wife's coming. Eddie, your wife is coming. Dude, she's walking over here, and she ain't walking slow. Okay? She's pissed. Oh shit! I'll do slow motion. All right, so this is like my 14th time recording this because I don't know how to check exposure, and I had the camera in S&Q mode, which basically makes it look like slow motion. Anyways, I got a chance to fly with the new nutsack mount. The new nutsack mount basically allows you to take a Hero 8 or any action camera and mount it onto the back of your battery. Got some good footage with it. I don't know how the footage is going to come out, and I only say I don't know how it's going to come out because we're using TPU, and sometimes TPU has a little bit of flex. I'm probably going to have to change the material that I'm using to a harder TPU material in order to reduce some of that flex, because if you're going to use it with real steady, sometimes those vibrations can show in real steady and give you sort of a jello-y like effect. I'm hoping that's not the case, but it could be. Anyways, what I am going to be doing is releasing a set. It's going to be called the Action Set, which is going to give you the helmet and the nutsack along with the 3 PV mount. My preferred method, if you were going to mount a GoPro in reverse, is to use the 3 PV mount. It gives you a better experience and it's a lot more rigid, but that's just my recommendation. Of course, you can use whatever you want. I did not record into the FPV drone at all, like not at all did I record into the FPV drone. So all of the video that you saw was from the Hero 8 using real steady, just mounted to the top of the FPV drone, because personally I think that's going to give me a safer experience. And when you're flying over water, you always want to know that your FPV drone is going to make it back to you. So in order to get better range and stability, I chose to go that route, and I think it worked out pretty good, so we'll have to see. All right, we're heading to Boston, so maybe this vlog will continue. This is going to be just a really long video. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Dead battery, kind of dead battery, and somewhat dead battery.
And just so you guys know, if you're watching that video, he filmed that 25
I literally
times.
did it like 25 times. Oh my god.
Fuck you, Bill. Fuck you, Bill. Shoot, I just stepped off that cliff.
Enjoy
dude.
the footage.
No, because before I'm over there and I'm like, yeah, and we're gonna fly this, and he's like, you liar, you've already flown it. I'm like, damn it, blowing up the spot. Eddie, bro, hold it right there. Hold it right there. You're looking good. Sun, bro. Let me get the. You know what? Hang on.